Realme has launched two new smartphones, Narzo 60 5G and Narzo 60 Pro 5G in India today. The new stain-resistant leather bag will feature a fashionable and unique design. Let's check out what it has in store for users. Firstly, let's talk about Realme Narzo 60 Pro 5G. Realme has launched a new flagship smartphone model, the Realme Narzo 60 Pro, featuring a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED curved display. It has 12GB of physical RAM and 12GB of dynamic RAM, as well as up to 1TB of internal storage, which can store more than 4,000 web series and more than 250,000 photos. The smartphone features a 100-megapixel Pro Light camera, which also supports SuperOIS. Additionally, it has 2x in sensor zoom technology that captures amazing pictures. Under the hood, it is powered by the DIMENSITY 7050 5G chipset that features an 8-core 64-bit processor. Narzo 60 Pro runs on the new Realme that works on UI 4.0 that brings users efficient experiences. In terms of battery, the Realme Narzo 60 Pro is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with 67 watts SUPERVOOC fast charging capabilities. Not sure which mobile to buy? The Realme Narzo 60 Pro includes adaptive sleep features that decreases manual intervention of keeping the screen active for a specific period of time. It has solid security features that only let the device owner access and view notifications. In terms of pricing, the Realme Narzo 60 Pro price starts from Rs 23,999 for 8GB RAM and 128GB storage options, Rs 26,999 for 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, and the top-end 12GB RAM and 1TB storage variant is priced at Rs 29,999. Now, let's talk about the second model, Realme Narzo 60 5G. Features and pricing on the other hand, the Realme Narzo 60 5G features a 6.43-inch Full HD Super AMOLED curved display. It has 8GB of physical RAM and 8GB of virtual RAM. It also offers 256GB of internal storage. The Narzo 60 5G features a 64-megapixel primary camera and 16-megapixel selfie camera. Unlike the Narzo 60 Pro, which is powered by the Dimensity 7050 5G SoC, the Narzo 50 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 SoC and it runs on Realme UI 4.0. In terms of battery life, the Realme Narzo 60 Pro is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts SuperVOOC fast charging capability. While camera capabilities and charging speeds are not exceptional, the phone is a reliable choice for budget users and daily activities. The phone's dimensions are nothing out of the ordinary, with nearly 8mm thickness and a weight of 182 grams. The USB Type-C port, a speaker grill and 3.5mm headphone jack are all at the bottom. Everything from the vegan leather material to a large circular camera housing in a mirror image of the Narzo 60 Pro. The Realme Narzo 60 is priced cheaper than the Narzo 60 Pro 5G and comes in two storage options. It is priced at Rs 17,999 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage option, while the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant is priced at Rs 19,999. Both smartphones will go on sale starting July 15. Follow HT Tech for the latest tech news and reviews. Also keep up with us on Twitter, Facebook, Google News and Instagram. For our latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.